We destroyed the Kalmar. How are the Galra still producing such vast amounts of quintessence? Get a reading on that shipment. Remember,
extraction point.
He's not back? I had to.
This isn't Voltron.
I understand that. In Voltron, we would have gone back in to save Regris. I went back to save the mission. Regris had the intel. Getting him and it back on the ship was worth the risk. Not detecting any biorhythms.
We came all this way. We should at least plant the tracker and find... There's not enough time! Anyone? Broken.
Allura, I know you're mad at me, but I'm not in the mood for a lecture.
And while the news of a new quintessence supply line is deeply troubling, I cannot help but feel...
I didn't want a lecture.
Voltron. It's so much more than a weapon. It's become a symbol of freedom and hope for the oppressed to rally around. We cannot.
Guys, I heard what happened. I'm sorry I wasn't there to help.
You keep saying
Quadrant was in danger.
This is not the way I wanted this to happen. But if there's a bright side to any of this, yeah, I suppose that's part of it. The Blades have been making real headway tracking the source of this new quintessence. They've been able to piece together a large network of hidden supply lines that have been secretly transporting it for who knows how long. And there's good reason to believe it could lead us directly to Lotor. A mission is being planned to infiltrate the supply line. I have to take it. I need to be on that mission. It was always meant to be yours.
Keith.
I know you are. And I can't tell you how much that means to me.